We have Dr. Monica with us, and she has a lot of experience in the physiotherapy field over here. And we would like to know about Dr. Monica a little bit more so that our audience can also understand. So, please, if you could tell us about yourself and your background, your educational background, that is, and where you're from.
Hi everyone. My name is Monica Bala, and I'm DPT. It's been 10 years already. I passed in 2013. I was practicing in Malaysia, and before marriage also. After marriage, I practiced in Malaysia, and then I came back. And I'm practicing at present. I'm practicing in a hospital that is kind of most of ortho cases, not neuro cases. But I wanted to improve more in neuro cases, as you know, this is a fear because neuro cases is like we it's difficult to give the result. Like everybody want to get back in their normal life quickly, right? So in neuro cases it's almost like we can't say it that definitely patient ठीक हो जाएगा या इतने टाइम तक ठीक हो जाएगा. Suppose any patient coming with the ortho case, we can give them timeline कि हम कह सकते हैं कि वो कब तक ठीक होंगे, कितना ठीक होंगे, कितने दिन में क्या चीज़ उनका इम्प्रूव होगा. बट इन न्यूरो केसेस इट्स नॉट दैट ईजी. ईच एंड एवरी पेशेंट इज़ डिफरेंट एंड न्यूरो इज़ क्वाइट वास्ट. सीखने के लिए बहुत कुछ है और आई एम फॉलोइंग रवि सर सिंस लॉन्ग. It's just not about neuro or anything. What I have observed from like कोई भी दूसरा फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट एंड सर के अप्रोच में व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस आई फाउंड दैट वो रिजल्ट पे ध्यान देते. ही जस्ट टोटली ही इज़ डेडिकेटेड टू पेशेंट्स प्रोग्रेशन and he just want result. Doesn't matter what, because actually what I have learned throughout my practice, theoretical is just 4.5 years or 5 years. वो कुछ नहीं होता. It's just like a base. But practice is a very different thing from that, क्योंकि थियोरी में हम लिमिटेड चीज़ें पढ़ते हैं बट प्रैक्टिकल इज़ नॉट अबाउट दैट. इट्स क्वाइट फार फ्रॉम दैट. ईच एंड एवरी पेशेंट इज़ डिफरेंट. आपको उनके हिसाब से, उनकी कंडीशन के हिसाब से आपको डिफरेंटली सोचना होता है. डिफरेंट प्रोटोकॉल्स होते हैं. हर एक ही ट्रीटमेंट, एक ही कंडीशन के लिए एक ही ट्रीटमेंट हर पेशेंट पे रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करता है. ईच एंड एवरी पेशेंट इज़ डिफरेंट एंड प्रोटोकॉल इज़ डिफरेंट एंड ऑल्सो द रिजल्ट ऑल्सो डिफरेंट. सो द थिंग इज़ दैट सर वो मैटर नहीं करता कि पेशेंट कौन है, कैसा है, क्या है. सर को बस रिजल्ट चाहिए. सो हिज approach is very dedicated and positive. He just need result, and working with him and like learning from him is an opportunity for me. That's it. I'm looking forward to work with him actually more. Want to learn more. It's just for me it's coming back because I had I had responsibility, so I have taken few years gap because of family responsibilities. So I'm back on the field. So I'm looking forward to learn more. Update myself. Yes, that's it.
So we'll be, I'm sure Mission Walk will be very happy to have you on board over here, and your learning journey can continue. And Dr. Monica, we would like to also know one thing that you think that is a key takeaway from this workshop, that you think that okay, you'll remember this for a very, very long time.
A key takeaway from here is like result. Your approach doesn't matter what is in theory. Your approach and your thinking, it should be towards patient recovery. Doesn't matter कि आप क्या procedure follow करते हो. You can always implement your creativity, your knowledge, your skills, and the main speciality about sir and this group, actually this whole group, they are very down to earth and they are open for any knowledge. कि वो कभी ये नहीं सोचते कि ये कितना एक्सपीरियंस है. दे नेवर इवन आस्क आप जूनियर हो फील्ड में, सीनियर हो फील्ड में. इट डजेंट मैटर कि आपका एक्सपीरियंस कितना साल है. दे आर जस्ट ओपन फॉर नॉलेज एंड लाइक शेयरिंग नॉलेज. सो दिस इज़ द की स्किल फ्रॉम हियर, दैट when we are like one finger can't do much, but when we are like 5 fingers it works together better. So it's like this only group work, डेडिकेशन. कि ऐसा नहीं होता. कई जगह मैंने देखा है कि पेशेंट आते हैं, दे जस्ट वांट टू टेक थेरेपी फ्रॉम वन पर्टिकुलर थेरेपिस्ट. इट्स नॉट लाइक दिस हियर. दे वर्क टुगेदर एंड कोई भी यहाँ पे अलग नहीं है, कोई बड़ा नहीं है, कोई छोटा नहीं है. एंड या दिस इज़ द की. Whatever you say, I want to take from here. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Monica. And is there anything that you'd like to tell our audience? Maybe they are freshers, they've just passed out, or maybe 1-2 years of experience. They can learn something from you as well. If you'd like to give a message to them, please.
Yeah, always open for knowledge. Don't because you know when you think you know everything, your growth stops there. So you should not think like that. If you want to grow more, you always have to have like person inside to learn. Yeah, that's it.
The will to learn.
Yeah,
Yes,
the will
that
to learn.
that never ends.
Exactly.
That should never stop.
It's not about willing. कोई सोचता है that I know everything and they feel proud of themselves. It's about progression.
Correct.
Knowledge कभी भी खत्म नहीं होता है.
Correct.
It's endless.
Correct.
So you just have to keep going.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Monica, and we wish you all the best. And we hope to see you soon in Mission Walk. Thank you so much.
Thank you.